time is this getting your perm? Like the fifth, fourth time getting the perm. Tell them what you're gonna do and tell them about how long your hair is. Show them how long your hair is.
Ooh, it goes all the way down my mouth, almost.
So tell them what you're doing.
I'm with some tight curls.
The tightest, right?
Yeah, the tightest one they
Tell
got.
them, if you got really long hair, try the tight curls. If you're thinking about getting the tightest curls, he's about to do it for you. This is it. We're helping y'all out. Turn that way so you can see the back. All right, what's going on, guys? So I just got my hair cut, and then Uriel, he's not getting tight curls. So Uriel, what is it that you're doing? What are these kind of? Like, we're doing like these coil ones. I've never seen nobody do this. I don't even know what the name is. We're about to show y'all. This is like, this is our first time trying this. He's gonna do this, and next time I'm gonna reperm my hair, and I'm gonna do that too. But this is his hair before. His hair is really curly, but it's straight all the way up here, and it's really long. We're using these right here. These are this is like for a more realistic, coily look, right, Odile?
Yeah.
What do you have to say about these? Are you nervous? This is your first time doing it.
Yeah.
But for you people that have never done these, because I barely see people do this, we're doing this for y'all, so y'all know when y'all try to do this, we're gonna help y'all out. And if you're new, make sure you like and subscribe, and let's get into this new perm video.
Easy on the ice. Easy on the ice. Anything else? No, that's good. All right.
And what do you want for drink? A Coke?
Yeah, Diet Coke.
All right.
Easy on the ice. A little bit of ice. And that should be all for me. All right. Thank you.
Meanwhile, at the Krusty Krab.
I feel like this is going to be the best perm he's got because it's going to be coily. And in my opinion, when it's really coily and really defined and curly, this is not going to be all frizzy how normal perms are. This is going to be more defined, short, small curled. It's going to look good. You're almost done again. Just the top. Okay.
I'm a little sleepy. Like.
10 seconds later.
Right here, this is that stuff that stings and burns and stinks. This if you got in a perm, you know what this feels like. It just, like, all that smell goes inside his mouth and nose. Stinks, don't it?
Yeah.
Smell it from here, it's not gonna air to me. Uh-oh, yeah.
What happened?
Uh-oh.
What? ¿Cuándo podemos estar cortando? I'm scared now.
Qué bonito se ve eso.
Alright. I should have got a napkin.
Yo siempre he querido así, también hacerme así, pero uno no sabe ni qué quiero.
Yep. We're gonna see when they're dried up. I can't wait to see how they look like when they're dried up though, Odile. Because when they're wet, it always looks different when you first get the perm till a couple hours later, 48 hours later, right, Odile?
Yep.
I'm gonna get my perm like this one. These. Make sure to like and subscribe. ¿Cómo se llaman estos? Como spirals. And these are spiral curl rods for coils and extra curly hair. Spiral coil rods. Spiral curly rods. Make sure to leave a like and subscribe if you're enjoying the video. And if you got any perm questions or anything, make sure to leave a comment right again.
Yep.
We'll answer them. We'll probably make a Q&A video. We need a bunch of questions. If you got any questions on the perm, leave a like and subscribe and leave a comment so we know.
Yeah, you got straight hair. Something fell. The phone.
This is before the haircut. It's better look brand new when he gets his haircut.
Ya me anda el sueño, ya tengo hambre, ya. Lárguense ya.
Pues lo quieres oscuro.
Ooh, dude, if you were to have your hair in like a man bun, you should start doing that. Why don't you do it?
No.
It'll look good. Are you gonna reperm your hair next time?
I don't think so.
This is the last time?
I'm pretty sure I am.
This is the last time.
Yeah, because
You never did the tight rods though. Come on, you gotta finish it off with the tight rods.
Alright.
Save the best for last.
Todos les hablaban menos yo, a ver ahorita.
Now basically she's washing his hair.
Acuéstate que no te levantes y no te tocaban.
He looks brand new. He had that huge gulp of hair. Now he's barely got hair, but it looks good. Now just washing his hair.
also,
So this is him with those. He just now got it. There's time to let it dry up. He's gonna send me a snap later. Send me a snap tomorrow how it looks like when it's dried up and good, you know what I mean?
yeah.
But this is it right here. Anything you wanna say? What do you think, Odile? New rods, you tried a new rod, what do you think this time?
Well, can't say for sure because I don't know the final result. Just wait until it dries up.
Yeah.
I'll let you know.
Tell the people to leave a like, subscribe.
Yeah, leave a like, subscribe.
And turn the post notifications on. And leave a comment if you got any questions about a perm. And like, I mean, listen, everybody's perm is different. Your perm might not end up like this. Everybody's hair is different. It depends who you go with, everything. Just go with somebody you trust. And yeah, somebody that's done it more than once.
Yeah.
Make sure to leave a like and subscribe. I've said it once, I'll say it twice. And yeah, I'm gonna put up a clip right now of his hair. And we out.